We're a small nation, this country of Israel, and we've been around for over 5,000 years. We're made up of all sorts of Jewish people. Black, white, brown, religious, secular, liberal. We're also home to many who aren't Jewish. Christian, Muslim, Druze, Bedouin, Greek Orthodox, and more. But Jews have been on the land since biblical times. Many of us came back in the last 100 years. Some arrived just yesterday, and some are coming tomorrow. We are men, women, and children. We love life. We're human. We might be a little different in some ways, like all nations are, but we're people just like anyone else. We're an assorted bunch. We don't always agree on everything. In fact, we argue a lot. Some see things this way, some the other. We don't always see eye to eye. But in Israel, we are the Jewish nation. Fractured and divided as it may seem, we are one, at our core. And it's a strong core. While sometimes we feel separate from each other, we're bonded together through our heritage and values that haven't really changed for thousands of years. A lot of people out there don't like us. Right now, it's a lot of Palestinians, the Iranian government, any people led by fanatical jihadists, remnants of Arab leaders who preached Jew hatred and whose legacy of hate has continued, assorted conspiracy theorists, and, yes, bona fide anti-Semites. Maybe it's because we're different, can't be put in a box, we're smart, or independent, because we know exactly who we are. Maybe it's because we've got a bit of chutzpah. Maybe because we know how to survive. And despite so many murdered and persecuted for thousands of years, and 6 million of us who were slaughtered by the Nazis in the Second World War, we're still standing. Not only standing, but thriving. Changing the world for the better, with technology, medicine, art, science, sports, you name it. Maybe people don't like us because they envy our heritage. Maybe because they think we run the world. We don't. Remember? Conspiracy theorists. Despite only 16 million of us in the world, maybe they see our success as a threat rather than an asset. Who knows? We're too busy doing what we do to give it too much attention. But sometimes we have to give the hatred our attention. Because we've got a lot of enemies. Many are ruthless, barbaric. But we know how to defend ourselves well. We know how to attack too well. Despite unimaginable losses and devastating catastrophes, to this day, we survive, as we always have, as we always will, as our enemies who wish us harm fade away in time. One more thing. Though we're a physical land of Israel, we are also the people of Israel. And we don't only live here. We live around the world, everywhere. No matter where we are, no matter what divides us in the moment, no matter the internal squabbles we have, like all people have, we are one. Even when we can't see it, we are one. And we have kind, compassionate people in the world who truly see the good in us. And when life is hard, impossible, incomprehensible, confusing, scary, and dark, somehow we reach to the light and come together. We're a small nation, this country of Israel and the Jewish people, but we will never apologize for surviving. We will always strive for good, and we shall remain as one.